How to make the HR supply chain measurable. Harriet loves her job in human resources. She can work with people daily and help put them in roles that fit their skill set, and that makes her manager happy. She has been applauded for her efforts to make the HR department of her company an awesome place to work. However, Harriet faces one challenge daily. She hates the paperwork and all the tiny administrative tasks that she must do. It seems to be a waste of her time that she could be using to connect with new talent. She wants more of her time to lend to strategic inputs. She also must develop more strategic and analytical skills to handle the changing requirements of her job. What can Harriet do? This new change can be implemented using the following measures. Number 1, standardizing and automating strategic HR processes through the efficient use of IT. Number 2, efficient interlinking of individual HR processes with wider business strategies through improves IT support. Number 3, establishing a greater connection between all those involved in the process using a centralized HR platform. Number 4, efficient reporting using a centralized HR software solution. Today, IT support is in an amazing position to reduce pressure on Harriet and her HR department staff by considerably optimizing processes in major areas. By doing this, both time and money is saved, information is organized, and these simple changes form the basis of a successful HR business partner's work. If you want to know how to make the HR supply chain measurable through a centralized HR solution, click the link below for more information.